Yo, what's going on, everyone? It's still the same day that we just did the burnout on this, and we've been working on Dustin's car, so I'm trying to knock out videos ahead. But we're gonna go ahead and start taking this transmission apart. So we're gonna go ahead and get that moved over and tear it apart. Because what we're gonna do to this trans?
We're gonna try to fix it.
Yep, we're gonna go ahead and tear this apart, pretty much go through it, replace what needs to be replaced, rebuild it, whatever needs to be done. I order whatever Dustin says it needs. And we're gonna go ahead and put a what in it?
Make both tires spin.
Yeah. So I'm gonna order a phantom grip for it tonight. So when I get in, we can do that. So we're gonna get it all torn apart and everything. I'm gonna push the Accord out so we have room to get through here. We're gonna set up in the little parts engine build room and tear it apart. All right, so first thing first, drain your fluid. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in there. I'm gonna hold the phone. You got a chance to? God damn!
Just use the rusher.
Impact.
Or the gun.
Impact. Impact. Kids, don't try this at home. Damn! Damn! Alright, we're gonna get that busted loose. Dustin busted it loose. Thank you. God, why does it go everywhere? Ew, that's nasty. So, alright, we're gonna let all this drain, and then I'm gonna get all the tools that we need for it. Alright, so he's gonna be working his magic. So if anyone needs their trans rebuild, hit him up. So, or hit me up, whatever, and I'll get you in contact with him. But he rebuilds transmissions, Honda transmissions. So for this process, you pretty much need 10, 12, and a 14, right?
Yep.
So.
And a pair of needle nose.
Yep.
And a magnet.
All right. So he's gonna do this, and then I will go ahead and get a magnet and a needle nose. All right. So we went ahead and got all the bolts around the trans out. Then you got one here, this big thing here, that's a 1/2 inch. And then inside of there, you have a C-clip right there. You want to elevate the transmission to get the shaft off the ground, he said.
Don't forget reverse. One back there.
Yeah, we'll get it. No big deal. So.
Down there somewhere.
We'll get it. We'll move boxes. At least we know it's in this room regardless.
Alright, you got like a little flathead as well?
Yes.
Will this work? Alright, I need you just to... that was easy. I gotta do it on this side as well. Lower it down. Alright, dude, lift yours.
Alright, so we got the case off. So here's the diff and your gear set. So, yeah. What's next? Look at that. Ew. That's nasty. Good thing we're cleaning all this up, huh?
No, all this is gonna come off.
You gotta unbolt this here?
Yeah, yep.
Hey, the light came back on. Now the gear set will come out, right?
Yep.
That's reverse?
Yep. Now you just gotta be careful because this one's loose, this one's bolted together, so it ain't gonna come apart. This one will, all this shit comes apart, you're in trouble.
Or if it don't come out, huh?
Lift up on these.
Oh.
Yeah. You can take them all off. You don't want to go out there though.
No.
Like, cause these gears are all connected,
Okay.
so. I don't know if you got something you want to lay these on.
I guess we can. I'm gonna set these here. Alright, so I'm gonna set the gear set in there, and then this is the differential. Ooh yeah.
You gotta change these bearings. You put the flat bearings.
Okay.
Instead of these.
What?
Yeah, you get me a, you need a punch that'll go in there.
Okay.
You gotta punch that pin out. And then this whole pin will slide out, and then all these gears will come out of there.
Heck yeah. And then these all gotta get replaced, or?
I mean, seeing the way that the shape that it's in.
Yes. And then that's the part number right there, so.
But these you wouldn't get. You get them for each 22.
I will assume.
No, I'm saying.
Okay.
You get them for each 22
Okay.
diff, and it'll be. Or you look up different year transmissions, and you gotta find one that has some flat bearing.
Okay. So we'll do some research on that, and then I'll get these ordered in, and these just pop in and out.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So this one here, you just
On bolt?
undo those bolts and
Okay.
it pops out.
Dope. So yeah, we're gonna get these bearings ordered up, these here, and also the phantom grip. So I'll get all that ordered up tonight. Anything else? Does it look good?
Yeah.
All right.
And all the gears over there, they look fine.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a grinder, we're gonna make these straight, so we can have straight cut gears, right?
Yeah.
We just heat them up and bend them. All the gears look good though?
This is your first and second.
Well, all these gears look good?
Yeah.
Dope.
And these sink rows look good. You can see. You can see inside there.
Yeah. All the synchros in here are fine. So then all I need to do is get these bearings and then the phantom grip.
Yeah.
Okay.
And a lot of brake cleaner.
I saw a case of brake cleaner.
Yeah.
These bearings here. And then these here. And these just pop on and off, or they gotta be.
Those will just pop off.
Okay.
We'll
Dope.
probably destroy them getting them off, but.
Don't matter.
And then the new ones you put in the freezer for a little bit.
Yeah, they
You slide
shrink.
it on.
Yep. So we'll get all this stuff out, and that bell housing needs to be cleaned up. This needs to be cleaned up, and once I get it all cleaned and stuff, we'll put in the sandblaster. Right?
Yeah.
We'll sandblast this, sandblast that,
Could powder coat it.
and then that's the plan. Powder coat it. So we'll be powder coating both casing and stuff like that, and this will be ready to go. If I break that trans, at least I'll have this trans to put in it. If that trans lasts until the built engine's done, then we have this built trans, well, not built, but rebuilt
Yeah.
with a phantom grip ready to go in the car.
Mine are tinkered with.
Yeah. So, but yeah, if you guys need transmissions rebuilt, hit up Dustin, and we'll go from there. You know, powder coating, all that. So we're gonna obviously show a lot of the work that he does with the powder coating stuff on his car mainly, my car too, stuff like that. But that's pretty much a transmission torn apart once the phantom grip comes in.
Though.
Yeah, it's very dirty. Like right there. Look at that. Ugh, that's gross. But I'm gonna order up the phantom grip tonight and try and get these bearings all ordered up. So when those come in, we can get this thing going. I can clean this transmission up and all that. In the meantime, get videos all on that. But I think that's gonna call it for this video as well, guys. So we busted out 2 videos in one day. We got his car started. We did a nice burnout in the Accord, but you guys already saw that in the last video. So wash up these hands, get home, and start editing both these videos so I can have them ready to go, just like I have like 2 ready to go right now. Before you even saw the video before this, we had 2 videos. So we're making moves. We're not slacking. We're trying to get these cars done. We're trying to push this channel. So like I said in the last video, if y'all can do me a favor, please smash that like button, share these videos. If you're not yet sub, please do me the favor and sub to the channel. It helps us tremendously grow as a channel. And yeah, if you made it this far, I'm gonna start doing this every so often, you know. But if you made it this far in the video, comment down below CDG fam and leave your Instagram And I'm gonna start picking a random winner out of these videos for a free sticker that I'll send to you guys. So just CDG fam down in the comments and your Instagram. And
who wants to see the EG on the dyno?
Yeah, who wants to see the EG on the dyno? I'm ready to see it. I'm ready to see this on the dyno too. So both these cars will be on the dyno soon, making moves, making some power, and at the track laying down some numbers. So if y'all don't want to miss that, let me know down in the comments. So
And don't forget the K-Series truck.
yeah,
Coming.
real soon. We got parts on the way here this week. So we'll probably, you probably won't see this progress for a while, but we've been working on this too. So this is a little behind the scenes.
Giveaway.
And the giveaway. So every $5 spent is one entry to get the turbo manifold off the F23 Accord or anything off of Max Speed Mirage website.
And who likes me on the channel?
Who likes him on the channel?
Yeah, come on.
Put it down in the comments. Show him a
Should I
little love.
stay or
Show him a little
want to see
love.
more?
Show him a little love down in the comments, guys.
I
So
like Red Bull.
he likes the Red Bull. I'm a monster kind of guy. But huge shout out to Dustin for helping me take that transmission apart. I never took one apart.
Yeah, not too bad.
So this thing will be coming along soon. Julian's gonna be welding this pipe up. Then we can get that powder coated to match the other side. Yeah. Lots happening, lot is happening, guys. If you don't want to miss it, please smash that like button and share these videos and sub to the channel. Comment below CDG fam if you made it to the end. Put your Instagram and I'm gonna pick a random winner to get a sticker. So catch you on the next one. Peace.
Bye.